Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something every artist experience. Let your mistake become your masterpiece. No artist has ever painted without making mistakes. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an experienced artist. Mistakes are part of the journey. The question is not whether we make mistakes. The question is what we do after making them. When we are learning, we often become afraid of making the wrong brushstroke or choosing the wrong color. Because of this fear, we stop experimenting, we become too careful, and sometimes we stop enjoying the painting. But remember, fear never creates great art. Courage does. Watercolor teaches an important lesson. Sometimes the water flows in an unexpected direction. Color mix in a ways we didn't plan. A brush stroke may look too dark or too light. At first, we think we have ruined the painting, but if we stay calm and keep working, those same mistakes often become the most beautiful part of the painting. Every mistake is a teacher. A wrong color teaches about color harmony. A weak composition teaches better balance. A failed painting teaches patience and persistence. We learn more from our mistake than from our easy success. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls many times but never says, walking is not for me. The child simply get up and try again. That is why the child finally learned to walk. As artists, we should have the same attitude. Fall, learn, and keep moving forward. Many famous discoveries happened by accident. Sometimes the unexpected become something wonderful. The same is true in art. A splash of color, a loose wash, or a happy accident can create a painting that feels more alive than the one we originally planned. Don't throw away every painting that doesn't look perfect. Instead, ask yourself, what can this painting teach me? Every answer make you a strong artist. Remember, your goal is not to avoid mistakes. Your goal is to learn from them. The artists we admire today have all made thousands of mistakes. The difference is that they never allow those mistakes to stop them. They keep learning, painting, and slowly turn their mistake into experience. That experience became their greatest strength. So the next time something goes wrong, don't give up. Take a deep look at your painting. Maybe that unexpected brushstroke is showing you a new idea. Maybe that mistake is opening the door to a style you have never tried before. Always remember, a mistake is not the end of a painting. Sometimes it is the beginning of something even better. So paint with courage, accept your mistake, learn from them, and let them become your masterpiece. Thank you so much and happy painting to all of you.